Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, Lisette gel nails came through today. Nail mail, nail mail, nail mail alert. Yay! Alright guys, let's do this. I'm gonna open the box. Here she is. Yee! Yee! I'm gonna open it over here because my address. This is from Lissette's Gel Nail. And I'm super excited. I started my journey in December and I've came to the conclusion that I like gel. So I decided to invest in Lissette's whole big bundle kit because I see her work and you know what I mean? She's self-taught, self-made, self. So I wanted to support her because I really like her work and I have confidence that her products is going to be to my liking. How's my light? Is it really bright? Let's just dim it a little bit. I need some light. Okay, so here's her super cute LGN Lissette's gel nails. Girl, you're doing it, dude. We appreciate the support. In your photos, please tag us in your photos and use hashtag Lissette gel nails. Hashtag to be featured. Okay. Cool. Here's my invoice. So this big bundle, I got the big bundle, extra long square tips. I got the choices. I was able to choose 5. I got the Alexa, stop. I got the crystal clear, milky white, true nude.
I don't know that.
True nude and peach perfect. Why did I get 2 true nudes? What an idiot. And her drill
Here's something I
bits.
found on the web.
The prices aren't
According to
on here. I don't know
Babel.com,
why. Anyways,
after
these
the
are
Union
the
disaster in
XL square tip
1958, when merchant
C
could not
curve.
travel with the team due to coaching duties for the
Yee.
Welsh national team, he took
Alexa,
control.
stop. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. I have to go to work soon. Fuck, this always happens to me. Every time my stuff comes is right before work. Yes. Yes. So let's go ahead, put the box to the side. These are the C. Ooh, I like it. I like it, Lisette. Ooh, that's a really. See that C curve? Yes. I am so excited. I can't even. I don't even. So you get 400 pieces, and it comes in sizes 0 to 9. That's that. That's a part of that. Ooh, big bundle. And what else do I get in here? Here are the drill bits. I believe this was like $35 for all of these. So it comes with the mandrel, the snake, the ball, the cuticle, the extra course for the takedown, fine and medium, I think, fine and medium. Pretty bits, very beautiful. I like it. That wasn't part of the big bundle. This was separate, so I purchased this separately. So this is $35, and then the nail tips come with the big bundle. Big bundle is like 180 something dollars, or like $190 or something like that. Okay, throw that away. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, very packaged very well. Packaged very well. It's 8:47. I work at 10:30. I gotta hurry up. All right. Thank you. Very cute, as advertised. So the big bundle also comes with a size 4 and a size 6 gel brush. Ooh, yay. They come with caps. These are the brushes that she uses. So here's a 6. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. Here's the 6. And it's, of course, you gotta prep it. I don't have time for that, guys. There's a cover. Very pretty, very, very pretty. It comes pinched. So, and here's the 4. Just do it this way. Here's the size 4. Look, guys, here's a little tip about your guys' brushes. You see how it came like this? See this little gap? Do not push your brushes all the way down. You're going to get your cover stuck. You just push it down enough. That's it. So that was the 6, and this is the 4. Oh, the 4 is tiny. Okay. 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 So don't push your brushes all the way down. You gotta leave a little gap or you're gonna get your cover stuck. Okay, there's that. And we have the shiny, no white top coat. We have her dehydrator, no prep. We have her rubber base coat. And it also comes with a matte coat. By the way, guys, these bottles are so heavy, thick, and they're 15 mLs. 15 mLs, and they actually feel like it's all in there. I'm not going to say what brand. There's only a few brands I purchased, but their bottles, it says 15 ml, and I swear to God, like, it's not. It's no way. There's no way. So, or maybe there is. I don't know. Okay. We got the crystal clear. They're all sealed, guys. I'm not going to open them right now. I'm going to do a full set with these my next video. So check that out. This I have the crystal clear. I got her milky white. I don't know why I got 2 true nudes. I should have got, oh God, true nude, peach perfect, and another true nude. I'm gonna open the true nude because I'm so curious of what 2 colors. Well, why did I do that? Why didn't I get clear? Oh, oh, oh shoot! Oh, I'm always dropping stuff on here, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, they're sealed. Nice. The bottles are 30 milliliters. 30 milliliters, guys. Yeah. It's a nice color, though. Yes, it's a nice color. It's a damn true nude. All right, well, we have a lot of nude hard gel now, yeah? All right. And that's it, guys. So this was a real quickie wiki because I gotta go to work. But I'm excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Anyways, it's very nice packaging. I dig it. Dig it, dig it, dig it. Good job, Lisette. Very pretty, very pretty, very well packaged. The package came as it was advertised. Thank you, thank you. Because you know we all can appreciate a fucking cute ass package, right? Thanks for watching, guys. And if I didn't say in the beginning, can you guys like, subscribe, and comment? Let me know. Let me know if you guys bought this too. Let me know if you guys like it. Let me know if you guys know of any other small business gel techs that I can support, because that's what I'm trying to do, is build my little hobby and, you know, gel nail, honey. And this is it, honey. Thanks, Lisette. You the shit, girl. There it is, guys. With a nice image, yeah? All right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.